Okay guys, today we got a short quick product review of this sleek socket. So just recently hung this TV up, and as you can see, it's got the wire running. I hung another TV up on my channel, well, a few of them, but I hung one and specifically and ran a whole new electric service for it. I'm a certified electrician, but in this case, the fireplace runs throughout this area. So unless I completely tear the wall out and do some modification, there's no electrical can go on the back of this wall. So this is the only option, run a plug here from the TV. That kind of looks tacky, so we're gonna try this sleek socket out. We see the picture with a vertical outlet. However, I have a horizontal outlet here, and we're gonna see how it works with the horizontal outlet and just see how much more neat it looks compared to what I got right now. That looks kind of tacky. The cord just hanging down. Luckily, it's a smart TV, whereas everything's running digitally. So let's remove the product from the box and see how easy it is to install it, and how to maneuver that wire, since it conceals it, since it gives it a clean look, as you can see the before and the after. So we want that clean look, and we're gonna see how it runs horizontally. Hopefully we can chase it here, along here, and here, and kind of conceal it there. So let me mount the camera. Let's see what's to this.
Okay, here he goes. I need someone to cut it open. It's pretty big. So this was designed to cover the entire outlet and give it a clean look. It has a film over it, or a plastic film over it to protect it from scratches. Kind of to show you how it works. Let's remove this. So the one I purchased, they come in 3 feet long, 6 feet long, 8 feet long. The 8-foot one was perfect for me. You guys can see how it is. So obviously you route it with these. So I guess we can work our way from here on out. So to give you quite a few of these and a bunch of adhesive strips. So this goes like so. So this is the adhesive side here. This goes this way. So I guess our first one will be right here. Let's measure the length. It's not so many of them, so we may use 2 or 3 on this leg. How many is it in total? We got this one, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm guessing we use it opens up here. So I'm guessing we're using 2 there. I may remove this. We'll just leave this on here. See if we can slide it down some. That's a warning label. So we may leave this wrapped up like this. See if we can get it to fit in here. I'm just pre-planning, guys, as I go. We try to have that in there somehow. It bulges out. So if you want to remove this, just a warning label. I think we'll see how it works. We'll see how it goes. So just trying to pre-plan my layout. Okay guys, so I'll remove the label. This stuff is just making this all sticky. Our kids know how important it is not to mess with electrical. And granted, I'm a certified electrician. I just think any parent should know to any kid how important it is not to mess with electrical. That's why all these are around the house for the plugs that's not in use. We have all these around the house. So I'm just pre-planning here now. I'm gonna get a leveler just because I like things to be symmetrical and try to level it off as I go. So that's the goal, to level it off as I go. So let me get a leveler. So we're routing the cord as it lay on the floor. So, and I'm doing this by taking a measurement. From here to here. So that's 24 inches. Now I can make where I'm at. So I'm pretty much dead on to where it turns at there. So I gotta adjust this a little bit more, I can. So I also can use this to space each one of these braces off with adhesive on them. I can space them pretty much the same. So I'll go every 5 inches. I'll go every 6. So right at 6, so I got a nice layout already, and I can actually measure up as well. Make sure the cord is facing in the same direction, on the same side. So the long end is like 38 inches. So are we gonna use 5 of these? 5 times 7, 35. So we'll do 7. We'll do them like 7 inches apart. Okay, I think we can start the install now. Oh no, look at this. So look at the outlet, guys. Look at the way it's facing. And look at the plug for the way we have to face it. Now if it went in this direction, it'd be perfect. But there's a solution to this. I'm gonna rotate the outlet around. If you decide to do this, if you find yourself in this situation, you have to rotate the outlet. Make sure you kill the power and rotate this outlet around. So let me do that right now. Looks nice so far.
Okay, guys, these little adhesive strips are like perfect for to get it to sit perfectly up against the surface, because these are far and few between and they don't give you much, but these are great. And I don't know what kind of adhesive this is. You better make sure you're putting it in the right place, because if you pull it off, it's gonna snatch the paint off the wall. This stuff is amazing. So I'll put one right here right now. Pull the wire up as tight as I can get it. Start from here, start from the bottom, and work my way up. Not bad.
Trap.
Okay, guys, couple things I want to note. For a more cleaner look, a more sleek look, like the name of the plug, for a more sleek look, you can use the stickers as an adhesive, because these are very sticky, very sticky. They give you 4 books of them, each with 5 strips on them. You have to use them accordingly or else you'll run out. But I want to note, the stickers, the adhesive on these brackets that it sits in, although it's a less sleek look than if it was the cord itself, I want to note something. The adhesive on these brackets are much stronger than the adhesive, these adhesive strips. I tried to remove this particular brace, and you can see I'm also going to pull up the paint, so I left it alone. Whereas you can see right here, it's coming apart. But if you lay them horizontally, they'll stick. It'll be okay. So you run it here. I also want to note this. I put 2 strips back here on this plug. I guess you can lay it flat up against something. I'm gonna lay it like this. I'm gonna stick it here, so the TV plug can come directly down on it when I had it. I'll put another adhesive strip here, somewhere along here, but you guys can see this one's coming up already. Yeah, these are gonna hold up here fairly okay, but not here. But the goal was to give a better look than what we had, since we did hang it over fireplace. And this is a 75-inch TV, so I'm out of room. I'm right at the wall. Couldn't go no bigger. I guess that's it for this install. Let me hide the cord for the TV, plug it up, and see what we get. All right, guys, we're plugged in. Got a couple of plugs up here, so that's nice. We're concealed, and let's power up. We got power. You guys can see the light is on. Not bad. Let me show you guys some specifications for this plug. So here's the specification, guys. Maximum amps, 13 amps. Maximum volts, 125 volts. Maximum watts, 1625 watts. Let's power on the TV and see what we got. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Not bad. Not bad.